So this is the screen for the IT Express billing system. We have here the dine-in, the takeout, the delivery, the sales, the incoming, expenses, cash count, inventory, pull out, and adjustment. So let's try to try the dine-in module. Okay, click the dine-in module, and then we have here the table number. Tables are up to 40, up to maximum of 40 tables. So let's try to click table number 4. Okay, so you just choose the server and then the password of that server, and then input the order number. So let's try 0008, and then click OK, and then we have here the menu already. So under the special cafe, chicken, pizza, pasta, paborito, dessert, drinks, Pinoy food, starters, merienda, beef, vegetables, pork, seafood, and rice. So let's try to click the special cafe, dark chocolate item, dark chocolate ice, and then chocolate batirol hot, and then let's try to select from the kitchen menu. We have here the cheese mushroom, boneless inasal, honey chicken. Under the pizza, let's try the Hawaiian large, Calambeño cream cheese. So as you can see, the default quantity is 1. So you don't have to enter the quantity over and over again. So under pasta, let's try the cheesy pasta, and then tuna pasta. Let's change the quantity. So let's try to change from 1 to 3. So input number 3, and then click enter, and then let's try the paborito. Let's try the tinolang manok, and then change the quantity. So let's say 3, enter, pancit modo. So let's try to void an order or item. So click the void item button, and then it will require you to input the password for the manager. And then let's try to void pancit modo. So that's it. So you have voided the item already. So let's try to have dessert, leche plan, merienda. We have the price. Under beef, bistec Pinoy. Let's change the quantity. So let's try 3, and then enter. Vegetables, pinakbet, laing, kangkong, and then seafoods, pork, rice. So let's try garlic rice. Let's change the quantity up to 10, let's say. Then plain rice, change the quantity, let's say 5, And then under the drinks category, let's try buko shake, mango juice, sago at gulaman, pineapple juice. And then if you want to select a customer, so click the customer button and then click member and then choose the name of the customer. So let's say Pascual. So if you want to give discount to the customer, you can input any discount amount. Cash discount is 10%, card discount is 5%, no discount or senior discount which is 20%. So let's try the cash discount of 10%. Okay? You can also override the price. You can clear the order and then you can also inquire for the price. You can also search for the item. So let's say for example, you want chicken. So let's try the boneless inasal. So that's it. If you want to save the order, click the save button and then it will automatically save the order. So we have here the food and drinks cashier copy. So in cashier copy, you have the combination of food and drinks group already. So we have here the food and then after that the drinks. And then you can choose to print it or just exit over the screen. So let's say you want to recall the order, just click the table number. And then if you want to print the kitchen copy, so click the kitchen copy and then it will automatically print the food. And then if you want to have the separate copy for the drinks or bar, so click the bar or drinks button and then it will automatically display the drinks items. And then the cashier copy, combination of the food and drinks. And then if you want to bill out the customer, you can click the bill out button. And then we have here the bill out receipt. Now if you want to settle the order, you can click the table number again and then click the settle order button and then input the amount. So let's say 10,000 and then it will display the change. And then we have here the settled receipt. or sales invoice receipt. Now we have here the inventory module where you're going to input all the inventory or items. And then we have here the expenses module where you can input all the expenses for that particular cashier or shift for that day. So let's try to input, let's say, gas. And then the amount is 100. And then, let's say, transpo. Let's say 100 again. So, click the save button. We have the takeout module so the same process goes for the takeout module. So let's say merienda, rescaldo, bok choy, and then seafood, ginataang seafood, and then drinks, buko shake, and then save the order. And then you can settle the order. We also have the delivery module. The same process goes. So let's try. And then save. You can settle the order. And then the delivery charge, let's say 100. You also have the incoming module where you're going to receive the items from the supplier. So let's try for the soft drinks, Sprite, and then save. So, ganun kadali lang yung pag-i-input natin ng mga items. You also have the pull out. So, if you want to see the sales summary report, click the reports, and then sales summary, let's say for today. So, you have here now the total sales for the day. That's the sales summary. Now, if you want to have the detailed report, click the sales, and then sales detailed. So, you have here the sales detailed report. Now, if you want to see the top sellers, let's say uh, for today, so you have here the top sellers according by amount. So if you want to produce the top sellers according by quantity, then you can select the top selling items by quantity report. So for today, we have the garlic rice for the quantity. We have almost 80 reports. And then you also have the end of ship report for the cashier. So it will summarize all the orders for today. So this is your IT Express billing system. Thank you for watching.